to Choose Your Own Path. Today I'm going to show you what I did with a failed print. Now, I didn't take a picture of the original. I did, but I don't know where the hell it went. Probably deleted it like usual. So this is a blurg from Star Wars. It's with the Mando that was riding him. And when I printed it, the supports on it was there. They had supports coming under here, obviously. This is the base. This is a different base. So it just printed standing up like this without the base. Now what happens is these little arms were so fragile that when I took the supports off, they popped off. Also, I'm going to show you here, I don't know if you can see that very well, but Mando's arm is missing. The support didn't reach to it. So instead of tossing it out, I improvised. I made my own arms. So all I did was I took a piece of, I took a piece of filament that we have. I just cut off a piece. I heated it up. And then I just kind of squished it. And I took the scissors and I cut in between to make his claws. So you can see his claws there. I'll show you on this finger here. You can see his claws better. And then I just crazy glued him to it and did the paint over it. The arm I didn't replace. He did not come with a cape, so I have extra leather. And all I did was I cut his head off and I painted the whole blurg up. This is the colors that I chose. And I ended up just putting a cape around him so you can see that it's like flowing in the wind. Works. So instead of throwing out a print that doesn't work, you make it work. So basic colors. They're kind of dark green blue. I didn't have a video set up for how I paint things yet. I'd like to, but it's a long process. But I just wanted to show you what happened to a failed print that I turned into something that I could, display. That's it. All right, guys, let me know what you think. And remember, if I could do it, you could do it. Choose your own path. See you on the next one.